Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1987 Ferrari F40, listed for $35,000 US in San Jose, California. It's been driven 80,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1987 kit car based on the Ferrari F40 race car, 6-cylinder, automatic, new rebuilt engine, new brakes all around, carbon fiber interior panels, currently registered in California, smog pass legal. Alright, this one belongs to a regular viewer of the channel who emailed me and asked if I could include their car in today's video. Here we have a Jaguar SS100 replica listed for $15,000 Canadian in Campbellford, New Brunswick. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. Now this is a translation from French. Built on a 1972 Volkswagen Beetle, all the mechanics were redone, the engine was changed in the summer. It passed mechanical inspection and is good until the end of July 2026. Okay, another car from Canada here. Here we have a 1970 Dune Buggy listed for $8,500 Canadian in Saint-Roch-du-Lac-Chagan, I hope that pronounced that properly, Quebec. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, again now a translation from French, rebuilt 1600 engine, manual, in very good condition, plated and insured, firm price, no trades.
Contact.
Alright, I promise I'm not going to screw this up this week. This is not a montage. It's a 1972 Manta Mirage, listed for $45,000 US in Stuart, Florida. It's been driven 15,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1972 Manta Mirage, built by a prior Shelby American engineer and is ready for track or road use. 327 Chevy, ZF 5-speed manual gearbox, custom Pantera suspension, brakes and steering. Additional set of Hallebrand wheels are available upon request. And up next we have this 1934 Fraser Nash, listed for $6,800 US in Butler, Pennsylvania. From the seller's description, 1989 title, lots of mechanical upgrades, Come see it and make an offer. Okay, here we have a 1927 Ford Track T Roadster, listed for $17,500 US in Gun Barrel City, Texas. It's been driven 1,805 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1927 Ford Track T, inspired by vintage racers, street legal, powered by a 4-cylinder Pinto motor with a NOS system and automatic transmission. The injectors on the driver's side are just decorative, has front disc brakes. Alright, I have held off on the Cobras for a few weeks. I seem to be getting a lot of them in the videos lately, but I thought this one was a good price, so I'm including it. Here we have a 1966 Ford Shelby Cobra, listed for $30,000 US in Cumberland, Maryland. It's been driven 25,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Ford Shelby Cobra kit car, one owner, built in the mid-90s, powered by 60 Ford 429 or 460 big block, C6 automatic transmission, Ford rear with air shocks, front disc, rear drum brakes, runs and drives, has some fiberglass damage on both doors, some nicks and scratches. Car has been driven and enjoyed. Builder of the car has passed and not a lot more is known about it. Clean and clear West Virginia title, no trades. Okay, here we have a Tri-Magnum. It's listed as a handmade motorcycle, listed for $8,000 US in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, handmade motorcycle powered by 1500cc Honda Goldwing. It is legal on the road. Alright, here we have a 1985 Simria, listed for $18,000 Canadian in Rimbey, Alberta. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 485 original miles. This is not a race car, it is a cruise car show vehicle, 1600cc VW drivetrain, 18,000 or best offer. We'll look at trades for a classic truck, preferably 4x4. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1952 MG kit car, listed for $8,500 US in Mainville, Ohio. It's been driven 500 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, MG kit car, 1969 VW undercarriage, automatic stick so no stick pedal, has side curtains, professionally built in the 70s by a Daytona Beach manufacturer, only needs a new vinyl top. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.